Knowing how to capture high-quality video is a great skill for any school marketer to have. Having the basic skills to compose shots, adjust settings, and knowing how to correctly expose and light your scene will make a huge difference to the quality of your videos. So if you want to film like a pro, you'll need to learn 3 key skills, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, you'll need to know your way around your camera settings. If you're just using auto settings on your camera, you're not using it to its full potential. So flick it over to manual and learn how to adjust your settings. You'll need to know shutter speed, ISO, and aperture and how they all work together to control your camera's overall exposure. Next, you'll need to learn how to work with light. The way you light a subject makes a huge difference in how the end result looks. Whether you have professional lighting or not, you'll need to know how to get the best out of what you're working with. If you can't control the lighting of a location, it's best to move to somewhere that's well lit. Try to use diffused lights as they look natural and soft, whereas strong lighting can create harsh shadows and can make your subject look overexposed. Finally, learn how to compose your shots. Composition is the way you arrange elements, objects, and a subject to suit your shot. A shot with excellent composition can communicate a lot to your audience. Using the rule of thirds is a great place to start. This is where the subject is positioned at an intersecting line. It makes the viewer analyze the whole frame compared to central framing, where the attention is directed to the center and the viewer is less likely to look around the frame. And that's the 3 skills you'll need to learn to capture great videos. If you'd like to learn more about videography, search video on the Digistorm blog. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the Digistorm YouTube channel. See you next time!